Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our lessons. Today, we are going to talk about interpersonal communication skills, and it is especial for economic students. Let's move on. Agenda. So today we will cover the essential elements of effective communication that are crucial for success in any economic or business career. First of all, communication value. Understanding why communication is a core economic skill. Defining interpersonal skills. What is interpersonal communication and its components? Active listening, techniques for truly understanding others. Clarity in speech, how to express complex ideas simply and effectively. Why are communication skills important in economics? Economists work with people. You constantly interact with colleagues, clients, stakeholders, and international partners to discuss projects and data. So, clear communication solves problem. It helps you explain complex economic model, data analysis, and market trends effectively to people who may not be experts. Builds trust and teamwork. Good communication builds strong professional relationships, which is essential for successful collaboration and negotiation in business. The communication loop. Loop is a little hole or little way to find a solution to problem. For example, sender has idea, receiver decodes and feedbacks, encodes messages, transmit messages. So this is the cycle where communication usually happens. What is interpersonal communication? Interpersonal communication is interaction, the process of talking and actively listening between two or more people. It is just interaction. Sharing. It helps share ideas, feelings, opinions, and information clearly and quickly. Interpersonal communication involves much more than just words we use. It is a complete exchange of meaning. The three channels of communication. When communicating, your audience processes three types of signals. The non-verbal signals often have the greatest impact. Verbal, actual words you say. It is only 7% effective. Vocal, your tone, voice, pitch, or speed. If you change your speech, your tone, it will affect 38%. Non-verbal, your body language, gestures, postures, and eye contact. It helps 55%. So, key skill 1, active listening, focus fully, eliminate distraction and focus only on the speaker. Do not think about your next response. Active listening in practice for economic students. Listening well prevents costly misunderstandings in data and project requirements. Example, client requirements. A client explains their budget constraints and market goals. You must listen actively to capture all financial details correctly. Example, group projects. Listening to your team members' research findings and suggestions ensures everyone is on the same page before making major decisions. So, it is important to listen actively in group projects so that you won't fail and you won't feel embarrassed in front of your group mates. So, key skill 2, speaking clearly and simply. In professional context, especially when presenting economic concept, clarity is more important than complexity. So use short sentences, break complex ideas into smaller, easier to process parts, slow down and pause, speak at a moderate pace, use short pauses between main ideas to let your audience process the information, avoid jargon, when possible, like professional words. Use common words instead of technical economic terms unless you are speaking only to experts. Summarize key points. Repeat the most important information at the end of a section to ensure attention. So, key takeaways: building confidence. Mastering these skills takes place, but the benefits in your career, from interviews to management, are significant. Practice. So, practice speaking slowly and clearly with a friend or in front of a mirror to improve your flow and confidence. Seek feedback. Ask teachers or classmates for constructive criticism on your presentation and speaking style. Observe others. Pay attention to how successful professionals communicate in meeting and presentations. So this is end for today. I hope you could get some information about uh, interpersonal skills, and I hope you will share your ideas and comments on the topic. Thank you very much.